Chapter 4, Section 3. Section 3 Summary. In this section, you will learn about the basic duties of being a U.S. citizen and protecting our form of government. Some terms to remember. Draft, a policy requiring men to serve in the military. Rationed, limited by law to a certain amount per household. Jury duty, serving on a jury. Section 3, Citizens' duties and responsibilities. Our government was designed to protect the rights of the people. In order for the system to work well, however, the people often have to help the government. As a United States citizen, there are basic rules and responsibilities that you must meet to keep our country strong. In addition, there are many things that you should do so that everyone can benefit from our freedoms. Citizens have 5 basic civic duties that they must perform. First and foremost, people must know and obey the law. Second, children must attend school up to the age of 16. They can use their education to learn about important issues, including those in an election. Third, workers must pay taxes to help provide basic services, such as a strong police force and well-maintained roads. Fourth, people need to do what they can to protect the country, whether that means serving in the armed forces or making sacrifice in a time of war. At times, our country has had to establish a draft, a process that requires young men to join the armed forces. Most often, our nation relies on a volunteer army. In times of crisis, some food and resources may need to be rationed, with each household limited to a certain amount. As a 5th civic duty, citizens must make time for jury duty when called upon. Even though they might have to sacrifice time and money while serving, jurors play an important part of our judicial process. Civic responsibilities are not required by law, but strengthen our nation. So a duty is required by law, while a civic responsibility is not. Voting is the most important role citizens play in our form of government. After all, the desire for a fair and representative government motivated the founders of our nation to fight the Revolutionary War and write the Constitution. The founders also hoped that Americans would stay informed and use their voting powers wisely at election time. Our form of democracy requires people to take part in all levels of government, not just voting. Citizens should also consider working for a political party and perhaps even running for office. Americans can find many other ways to help their communities, from volunteering in local agencies to improving their neighborhoods. Finally, Americans should respect and protect the rights of themselves and others. In this way, all members of our society can enjoy the benefits of freedom and live to their fullest potential. Good job, guys. So now that we've finished the reading, I need you to go back to your assignment, review duties and responsibilities, and knock out that Padlet post. You got this.